Well, this is the way I clean my walleyes. I have my electric fillet knife, which I like a lot. I start in like so. Just go down the backbone. Now I'm going to flip the fillet like so. And go right down the skin. Like that. And I'm coming back here to cut the ribs out. There's that. And eventually I'm going to cut the zipper it out. But we'll get this done first.
Do you feel for anything?
I'm just feeling the backbone, just kind of stay on top of it, like so. Another flip. Get down by the tail. Just go lightly above the skin, like that. And you come back to rivet. You really don't want to eat the belly meat. I don't, so that's why I don't keep that part of it. So there's the,
And then you do the cheeks.
yep, we'll do the cheeks. I like using a fillet knife. What you want to do is you want to follow like a C around here like so. So you stick the tip in there, work your way around like that. Then I give a quick flick up there to cut that. And then you stick your finger as hard as you can and pull real hard. That pulls the skin off. Then there's a tendon down here. Just cut that tendon. And there's your cheek there. Do the other side. Pull real hard. Comes off with the skin. There's that. And now I'm gonna zipper my fish, which I want to take this lateral bone out, which is part of this mud line. We don't want that in there. So you take a Y incision here, one here. Same with this fillet. Now this is the important one. You want to start with the belly side. So the belly side peels off nice first, like so. And now the zipper. There, all that bloodline and the Y bones are coming out too there. But it looks like it missed. So we're gonna cut those out right now. Sometimes I get a perfect cut, but now I got them all out. And there's that, it's all fillet. Then I'll cut all my fish in about chunks like this. So I got finger bites.